Hi beautiful souls, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm super excited to share my honest review about 5 beauty products that I've been trying for the past year, or some of them I've been using for only for a few months. And we're gonna go from Korean skincare to LED light therapy, from rosemary oil to the laser hair removal. So stick with me if you want to learn about some of these products and get my opinion about them. So let's dive right into it. First up, let's talk about Korean skincare. I've been testing some of these products from different brands like Celery, Soul Cuticles, some by me, Celery and Skin 627 for at least 6 months. So now I'm ready to provide you some of my opinion. So Korean skincare has been known for innovative ingredients and gentle formulas. So I was very excited to give it a try and build my own perception of these products. So let's go. First up, it's Cosrx. Cosrx has been a game changer for me, especially the snail mucin essence. It's incredible hydration and has significantly improved my texture of the skin. So the product actually should be applied after the toner and before any serum or moisturizing creams you use, because its formula penetrates deep into the skin and basically drawing along the molecules of the serum, thereby enhancing the effects of the serum. And second product that I've been using is a snail mucin repair cream. I've been using it for days when I spend a lot on the sun, and also I use it as a facial instead of the facial oil, basically, when I do a facial massage, because the texture isn't so gooey and it doesn't get absorbed to the skin very fast, so it's enough time for you to do some massage movement. Next one is AHA BHA PHA Miracle Toner, 30-day Miracle Toner. So basically, I use only at night after I wash my face, and it helps clear my skin and reduce breakouts. So I'm very satisfied with this brand. It's very light, but it has some oils in it, so you're gonna feel so refreshed, but also hydrated at night, which is also very important. Next one is product by Skin 627. I use the vitamin C serum with niacinamide. So this one is basically, I'm using it every morning after I wash my face and put the toner and the snail essence one. And after I applied this, and it brightened my skin so much, and it also moisturizing it so well and prepared for the sunny day, which is like summer right now. Amazing. Next in line is Soul Cuticles. Their anti-aging moisturizing cream is my favorite. It's so light. I can show you, I'm literally using it. You can see how little of it right now. I need to order a new one, but it's so light. You will not feel it on your face, but at the same time it's moisturizing the skin very well. It's packed with vitamin E, vitamin B5, and green tea, so it smells really well, and it's soothing the skin awesomely and prepare the skin for applying makeup, for example. As a conclusion, overall, I am impressed with the quality and effectiveness of this product. Korean skincare truly lives up to the hype. So I highly recommend at least to try and give it a try, so you can build your own opinion based on your test. Next, let's talk about the LED light therapy. I've been using this device specifically for over a year now, so I'm happy to finalize my final opinion and honest opinion about whether I like it or not. So red light therapy is said to boost collagen production, reduce inflammation, and improve skin texture. Basically, I want to start first up with different colors, because it's not only red therapy, they could be different colors, from green to purple, from orange to yellow. So Red light can reduce inflammation, stimulate collagen and elastin production. It also increases circulation and help wounds heal. It also can make skin look and feel plumper and brighter. That's exactly what I notice in my skin. Next one is green light. It reduces melanin production, lightens pigmentation, and reduces redness and skin irritation. It may also promote wound healing and reduce the intensity and frequency of migraines. Yellow light can penetrate deeply into the skin, trigger the lymphatic system, and improve the removal of toxins. It can also increase wounds healing, skin hydration, and dermal blood flow. I use yellow light as well. Next one is purple light. It helps even out skin tone, reduces the appearance of age spots and hyperpigmentation from the sun or aging, and reduces skin redness and swelling. So my personal opinion and what I've noticed is my skin looks firmer and more even toned. It's also helped me with reducing fine lines, especially like in these areas and under the eyes, and some stubborn acne scars, which I had a few. It's also a relaxing part of my morning routine, and I love how my skin feels afterward. And if you're looking for a non-invasive way to improve your skin, I personally definitely recommend giving LED light therapy and try it. Next up, let's talk about the hair. And for hair care, I've been using rosemary oils, and I have a different video for it, so check it out over here. So basically, rosemary oil been known for promoting hair growth and improving scalp health, and that's exactly what I've been dealing with in the past few months, years I should say, with the loss of hair. So after being using it for a long period of time, I noticed that my scalp health has improved significantly, and I started to notice new hair growing. Also, my scalp feels healthy and my hair looks thicker and stronger, and they are shiny again after not seeing this shine for the past 2 years. So it's easy and natural addition to your healthcare routine, and the results are definitely worth it. So I highly recommend, and if you need tips on how to use those products, please check my video. It's going to be linked in the description. Now, let's talk about my all-time favorite and best decision I've ever made in my whole life is hair removal at home. Like, if you're a girl, you've been stressed dealing with hair for a long period of time. It's super easy to use. I love it that it's one-time investment compared to the regular salon visits, and I personally seen a significant reduction in hair growth, and the hair that does grow back is much thinner. So if you're tired of shaving or waxing, this device is a great option for you guys. Next one is an ice facial roller. Using a facial roller every morning helps reduce puffiness and wakes up your skin, so it refreshing and gives an instant glow. I implemented it into my morning routine, so after waking up and taking a glass of water, I roll up this ice roller all over my face like this. Okay guys, there you have it, my honest review about these 5 beauty products, and I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more reviews and beauty tips like this, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Also, please let me know in the comments if you are using any of these products already, or if you have any other recommendations, and I would like to hear them and I would like to try them out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!